You can see my Excel.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
You everybody go on mute. If you have any question, you can, because I am hearing some sound.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, now it is clear, right, for everybody? Okay, right. See, we are going to see Oracle Finance. The market leading, we call our commerce people. See, we are doing only accounts. We know only debit and credit. For example, as a basic commerce graduate, a BCom or MBA finance or whatever it is, we don't know coding. Because to learn coding, you have to come from +1, +2 degree and etc. Right? So our Oracle Finance is designed like our front end only. Whatever you do, finance only. It is not a technology. Just the basic accounting entry, debit and credit. There, it will fetch in the system. Okay. So Oracle Finance, how it is evolved. Okay. So initially, version 11 release 11. So we call 11i. After that, 11i or R11. Now in the market, R12. R13 is the, we call it Fusion Cloud, whatever it is. So market now you see 90% of them using only this release 12, R12, R13 cloud. Now emerging is cloud because everything is going into cloud. In R12 as R13, we don't see much differences. Very minor difference because it is always in the cloud platform. R12 is stored somewhere. Some database will be there. They will be stored. Okay. First we'll see what is the difference between this, how it impact the business. Okay. So anybody, okay, one by one we'll go. So you can tell Abhinesh, you can take an example of one business. Okay, any business you know. See, for example, I'll take HCL groups. So they're having many business. Okay. So Abhishek, you can on the mic and tell. For example, you can take any business group, any company having a group like Reliance, Tata. You can tell X, Y, Z also. You can tell one business. We'll start.
We can take Bajaj Group.
Okay, good. So, for example, we are going to implement Oracle Financial in the Bajaj groups. So everybody imagine like that, one by one we'll go. Okay. Next. Everybody can participate also. I'll go. Bajaj group is telling. Okay. So what are the type of business or company Bajaj group is involved? Tell me one by one.
Manufacturing of vehicles.
Manufacturing of vehicles. Okay. I can write vehicles. Vehicles is a major business. Okay.
Finance.
Bajaj Finance, popular one.
Bajaj Finance.
Okay. So you say vehicle, immediately come to mind is scooter. Vehicle, no. Bajaj scooter is the old. So type of vehicle also I have to mention, right? Correct?
Yes.
Vehicle like Mahindra, Bajaj also will have multiple things. So I say scooter. What are the Bajaj vehicle are there? As you remember, one is scooter. Bike is there?
Yes.
Bajaj.
Pulsar.
Auto.
Auto also there?
Yes.
Variety of. Okay. So if you say bike, you are having Pulsar bike. You are having coming under commonly we call bike, right? Correct. Under bike only Pulsar scooter coming, correct? Commonly we call what? Bike. So under vehicle you call bike. All are bike only, correct?
Yes.
Layman explanation we are giving. Maybe the term is different for our understanding. So under bike, as he said, Pulsar is there, scooter is there, scooter or Vespa, something, many things are there. Okay. So what else under vehicle? Bikes only. They don't have car?
No.
Okay. We assume they are into car business. Okay.
Okay.
Let it be. So any other thing we don't have. Anything there, you check in Google and tell me. Okay. So vehicles we have divided like this. Okay. Right. Bajaj Finance, what are the type of finance they are giving? So mostly you see vehicle finance, they are popular, correct? They're giving personal loan.
Credit card.
And
Insurance. Credit card.
Bajaj Insurance. Finance. Okay. Okay.
Credit card.
Oh, the 1800 that will not per vehicle bikes. Categories wise. Get some sound at the background. On mute, if I ask, please. Okay. Oh, nothing. Good. Okay. So vehicles are categorized into bike and car. Under bike, we have this. Under car, we'll have some car one. They will have something in the future or something. Okay. Now we assume. So finance, you said there are three type of finance. So Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj. Till now you understand? Everybody?
yes, sir. It's clear.
Analyzing under vehicle, what will come? These are all before going into analyzing a business. We are type of business of Bajaj, correct? So just we are as a note when you go for audit or like that, same thing we are doing here. So we have to explain to our senior or manager. No, you go there. So they will say analyze their accounting procedure and tell me. Then we'll design. This is the first step you are going to a company and designing. So they are having vehicles, Bajaj Finance. What are the other business? Just check Google and tell me what are Bajaj involved. Take your time.
They are into home
Home
appliance.
appliance. Home appliance.
Okay, super.
Like
What
heater,
are type of home appliance?
like heater, hand box.
First I want heater and box. Have until now? Any other thing? Okay. So we assume these are the business as of now. Okay. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So type of business like this. Okay. So how Oracle we can input this? Oh, vehicle spelling wrong. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now how Oracle will define this as a business and what is this called? I'll tell you. See, Bajaj Group we are defining. And it's recording, right? Okay. Good. See here. Okay. So first I will. So this categorization is called segment. We are segmenting. So segment is how many segment in the business. We have to segment. You have to split it. Easy for easy purpose. Okay. So up to now we are categorized. They are having three type of business up to now. So we taken vehicle. This is a breakup of vehicle. Breakup of vehicle. We are break up vehicle 1 into 2. Bajaj Finance 1. No, 1. So even vehicle finance we can break into multiple. That is based on their choice, how they are doing, what is the current system. They can use Tally, they can use Sage, whatever. So we are analyzing how they are doing the accounting. Okay, right? Okay. Now, you see. So I said this is called segments, the first line. We are segmenting how the business will come in. Okay. Okay. So, okay. So for making an accounting entry, suppose I want to make an accounting entry. For that, for a business, what is mandatory thing? So I should have a business. I should have the account. We didn't add the account. These are all mandatory for everything. Every business will have a department or cost center, correct? Without that, you cannot function because everything a
Yes.
single guy cannot maintain it. For accounting purpose, you will have an account. As of now, this two. So out of this, see, for defining a segment, what they say is minimum you should have a 2 segment, maximum is 30 segment. Okay. So minimum 2, what are the mandatory thing? Business and account. Okay. Without this, you cannot make anything. Without this, you cannot make accounting entry. And without knowing which business you are doing the account, you cannot see, right? See, at a point of time, some business going go up, some may come down, correct? See, vehicle. Before you see scooter means only Bajaj scooter before 10 to 15 years. Now you see variety of scooter, right? Now you see Honda has come up with this many scooter with the designs. Dio has come that wonderful Hero Honda has come that. So competition is very tight. So we don't see any Bajaj in the market like before, correct?
Yes.
So in this, they will find a business in Bajaj Finance. So they will see there are a lot of vehicles selling. This will go up and this will come down. This is correct. Finance will go up because many people want a two-wheeler and this will come down. And they will see in the department basis like that. They will analyze MIS report you will do, no? The finance. So that's it based on the business. Okay. So department, what are the major? You will have finance department, HR department, purchase department, sales, marketing. So just I'm listing only 4 or 5, but in the real thing, thousands of department will be there because you are maintaining multi-crore business, right? Throughout the world, correct? If you say Tata's, this, Bajaj, we assume they are also maintaining to everywhere. Okay. Understand? So you think any more segment can be handled? Tell me. We'll decide.
So here, sir, segment, you are defining the line of business as a part of segment, right?
Correct. Line of business or company, whatever it may be.
Okay. And then these are the departments: finance, HR, purchase, sales, and
Yeah,
marketing.
I'm giving example. It is a discussion. You can also add. What are
Okay.
the departments? See,
Production can be also a
fixed.
department, right?
Correct.
Manufacturing department.
Correct. See, this is not fixed. That was I tell. So initially we'll start. See, you go to one accounting manager and he will tell these are all we have. So that is not final. We'll put in the document and circulate, right?
Yes.
Then you will go to other one like that. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have one question.
Ah, yeah.
Sir, as you said, you create minimum 2 to 30 segments. It is related to business.
Sorry, I
Yes,
cannot
sir.
hear properly. Anybody can hear
Uh,
properly? Tell me.
yes, sir. Clear, please hear me. Hello.
Some sound is coming. Abhishek, you
Sound
can
is
hear
coming.
properly?
Yes, I can hear you, sir, but there's some background
No,
noise
no.
coming.
When he's speaking, I am getting some background.
Yeah, yeah, I'm too.
Can you type
Yes,
or tell me? We can hear.
yes. Sir, as you said,
Ah,
we can able to get minimum 2 to 30 segments.
correct. Minimum 2.
Yeah, it's related to business, not a department.
No, no. Department. See, you generally you think you are having 10 companies or
Yeah,
100 company like HCL is having throughout the world. Okay. So I want to know business, which business, like I said, department is nothing. No, you can function without sales also, finance also. Suppose you take the big companies like Accenture, it is not in Chennai, only one person will be sitting there, right? For entire thing. controlled outsourced to Alsec or some other X or Y. Okay, you don't have to maintain in your thing. But company are registered in your name, legal entity in your name. You have to answerable. You are answerable, correct? So every account you have to know for which company you are accounting. And you should know it is a purchase or sales. Yeah, tell me.
No, branches location. Like we
So
have.
location, I am telling minimum 2. Just your startup you can have with 2. You can add a department.
It's up to 30.
Up to 30, yeah. It is what says, but more and more you go, it is complicated. Because maximum you see some of the big companies also, we see like 6 or 7. Okay. Because every time you have to enter, you have to maintain a lot of stuff. So you have to see now we start off the steps. The steps is we are starting now. We'll discuss and finalize it.
Yes, sir. My question is, because we have, as I said, 30 segments now. It's a business or location. I mean, if you
No,
take
segment is this not business. Business is coming this side, column wide. It is like a row. This is only 30.
Because only 30. You can able to incorporate segment 30 for business.
Business is one of the segment.
One of the segment. Okay.
This department. One of the segment is account. Now we will understand. Segment means this one. We are segmenting. What are all the?
Oh, okay. This line.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. Now you understand. So as of now, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For our convenience, we created first level of consulting. We decided 2, 3, 4. 4 people have decided this is what will come. Okay. So now you will explain to someone in your office, right? You are directly went into it. Okay. So what they will see. So I am having business account, you know, right? We should have a expense account. We should have an income account. All accounts come under this liability. You can go on mute. Now nobody hearing sound, right? So we are having 4 type of accounts. Okay. In accounting, expense, income, liability, and assets. So here we are having one more type, retained earning. What is retained earning? Is last year profit or loss should have come and sit here. That is retained earning type. These are the type of account. All expense or something we'll put inside it. Okay. So now, okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. Okay. So now we are discussing with the seniors and counterpart. Normally what we'll say, once you created it is final. You cannot add or delete. Delete you can indent it, but you cannot add. Okay. What normally we'll do, we'll add 2 more segment called always. We can rename it. So what we will do now? We will add 2 more segment called future 1, future 2. That is based on a business or something. So in future you want to add some more segment, you can rename it. As of now, it is a dummy segment we call. So this is also segment. Additionally, 1 or 2 we'll have like this. Okay. Understand? Now how many segment we have?
Total 9.
9 segment. Okay. So finally, we are telling the business 9 segment is there. Now, as per the rules, I want to minimize it. Okay. See. Okay. So now you know what is segment, right? Now do you know with the example, you know what is segment also?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Now we'll go to the next topic.
Yes.
See, you've seen in the Google itself that is only 3 business. So this Oracle will go for 20 to 30 years because we don't change ERP. We are thinking at the end of life it will keep on running. So maximum how many company they will start in future? Anybody know? Bajaj is having 3 companies as of now. They may acquire or they may spread, you think? Nobody knows, right? It will start as like this. They will go into like Tata, daily they are acquiring one business, right? They are into global level, correct? Not only in software, acquiring this car company, that this everything they will do. So we will tell the business as of now, this is only single digit. So this is called values. Directly you cannot type the name, right? 1, 2, 3 I have put here. So maximum if single digit is given, maximum you can go up to 9, correct? After that system will not accept if I give only 1 digit. Okay, right? Correct? You understand the logic?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
So first what I have to give is okay. So I will tell them, so I will give maximum 99 segment, 99. So in future you can add, but you cannot alter. So now only 3, but I will leave when I create this numbers, no? So when I have to create like 0, 1, 0, 2. Whenever new value is added, you can add up to 99. So this 99 is very important. So this is called values. Okay. This is called values. So every value we have to see what is the value. Values 99. Okay. For business I have put. So department I told many department will be there. So we see now it is having 130. So maximum 999. So you can also make like 9999. So what they will start 0001. So at the time we are thinking one step above. You understand? Correct? You understand the logic?
How much department we can add, sir? 999.
No, it is not fixed. You are a consultant, you will decide. Segment is 99 because
999.
see, companies means see, I am clubbing everything into vehicle. They would have registered for everything like that, right? So
Yeah.
here I am giving more 9999. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
The department they will say under sales itself they will have 100 department.
Yes.
Because
Sub
finance is more
departments.
very good for Bajaj, right?
Yes.
They will have region wise to control it, and one department cannot access another. You can have security rule, so you will have more, correct? So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I added 4 digit. Okay, values like that account also will have 4. I'll tell you how to make. So everything I'm thinking there will be more. Or everything we have to decide like this. So I will give like this as of now. Okay. Okay.
So this 999, what you are choosing, it's a random value which you are taking, right?
No. 4 digits maximum value. 4 digit minimum value is this. 2
Okay.
digit minimum value is 01. Maximum 2 digit is 99. Correct. The
Okay.
digit.
For this segment level, the maximum is 99, right? The maximum
Yes.
2 digit.
So
And for defining department,
not segment,
it's
business segment. This is business segment like that.
yeah,
You
business segment what I'm talking about. And for department segment, the maximum value is 4 digit, right? We can define up to 4 digit.
no. You can give n number of digit. For my understanding and business requirement, I am giving now. Until I told you, now 130 they are having right now. So 999 I can give. But for the sake, no, in future you cannot change. I am giving one more extra. Understand?
Okay.
As of now, the business is running with only 130 department, 130. So he suggests them in future, it will go up to this. So maximum space, nothing will happen. The user has to type one more zero. That's it. Okay.
Okay, so 999 is the maximum. Okay, got it.
No. Now they are having 130 department, assuming. So I can give 999. This is the logic. But I am going one step ago and giving 9999. That means they can go up to 4 digit, means up to 10,000 they can go, right?
Yes, up to
In
10,000.
future, they should not struggle.
But suppose if it exists, I'm taking a hypothetical scenario. If it
if
exceeds
one of the manager and you thinking at that point, see, correct. So up to now, assuming the business is having 5,500 department now. So you are giving 9999 means your situation you have to increase by 1. You have to give 59. Because already they are having this much department, correct, throughout the world.
Yes.
Then after 2 years, it will exceed this, correct. That is based on you and on our business only.
That we can
you can give one more. Tell me.
That we can modify and we can increase that, right? Number
Once
of
you designed maximum digit you given, you can use it or end it. Suppose I want to end it HR department in the future. Government says no HR should be allowed in the company, only government will maintain HR, like online HR. Okay, it has come. Anything may come. So at the time you can end this. It will not appear.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me, what is the doubt? So this number, after discussing with business, you have to give the maximum digit. That's it. Nothing to worry.
And okay, so once it is finalized, we cannot increase this, right?
Finally, it will give a warning. Once you set up finally this accounting flex field, it will give a warning. You cannot change it.
Okay.
That's why we are adding in the segment itself to future segment. Future something you want to add, you can do. Okay. Understand?
Got it.
You can rename it here. And here you are having n numbers. Here also, if you want, you can give 3 digit 4. So I am giving like that. I want to discuss with my business department exactly and take a note and make a document and write. See, this number you should, like you thinking, you have to give a proper example to them. That's why we are giving this. That's why we are naming segment like this. Because your business have this. Understand?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Everybody got the logic?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, values means this one. 1, 2, 3, everything will define. Values only will define this 0, 1 vehicle, everything. Okay. Values and one more thing, value set. Values and value set will accordingly work. Okay. Value set I'll put on. So what is value set? See, first we learned segments. Now we learn values. Values I put it here, but normally the values is this one. All are values only, whatever I given. Values is I'll putting the code right 001. Everything come under values. First you have to define a segment. Okay. Then what is value set? Value set is how many digits here?
2 digit.
4. This is value set. So you told no, you cannot exceed this. That's only we are giving this. Understand?
Okay, got it.
So first we'll create a segment, then we give a value set for each segment. We'll create a value set. Value set. So under everything, we'll put the values 1, 2, 3 and define it. Okay. That only we'll going to see in the practicals. So anyway, in interview, you are only handling at the phone. You have to know what is what. Okay. Now you got it. What is segment? What is values? What is value set? Okay. Still we didn't finalize this segment. So you are coming to me, we are discussing, and what I am telling is, so you are having for vehicle one separate. Okay. Correct. Vehicle 1 separate, vehicle 2 Bajaj Finance, Home Finance, everything. So what I am telling, why can't you name this as a common as a product and put it everything under here? There are two logics. See, you want to minimize it, right? Cut. Okay. So we can name a product. See, when I choose a company, some product I have to pick it, right? Why you need vehicle to this, that, and all. I'll take this bike also. And everything I'll put under product. So I'll pick a product, right? Directly. Understand? Everybody got it? So it's a product. I don't want this. So while designing now, if you see, only I have this much. Okay, got it. So you agree this or disagree? Tell me. We'll see what is the advantage, disadvantage. Before we have given very easily, you will understand. Now I taken everything into a product directly. So what is your idea? Tell me your idea, your views only. Tell me. I tell one by one.
Right, it's correct on this. For company, it's all a product.
Okay, what about others?
Sir, I have a question here particularly. So, like for scooter, they will be having under scooter if they will be having sub brands, right? Like,
Correct.
so then that brands are actually product for companies, right?
Okay. See, I understand, but I'll tell you what is that. Okay. Okay.
I mean,
So you
sir,
are telling, for example, for scooter, I removed scooter. So you are telling for scooter. Also, okay. For scooter or vehicle, it should come under that, right?
yes, sir.
So that's why we define. But I'll tell the example how it will come. See, it is a product one. Like you said, it's a sub product, correct? It is dependent. Then you should not add. See, what is in that case, what is the example I'll tell you? See, what you said, what are the type of company? They are having a vehicle, Bajaj. Oh, I'll take vehicle. So while manufacturing scooter, they need some nuts, bolts, everything. Okay. So here directly scooter will not come. So I will say the product, for example, I will say the vehicle body parts. Okay. Vehicle body parts, everything you are having. It is not assembled, correct? They will only do. So at that time you have to buy nuts, bolt, and whatever the other items. This is called byproduct. Understand? That is a type of
Yes.
product initially what we written. So now you should think like this actually. So without nut and bolt you cannot create. So when I choose the segment of vehicle body parts, I should add either one of this. When I buy a bolt, it will include vehicle. It is the major, it is the minor. Like that you have to define. Now you got the logic. So yeah, all the time we can include in one segment because we are not restricting the numbers, right? So you think that numbers will increase, we can increase one more segment. Why? Sorry, one more value. Why you want more segment? Complicated, right? Now it is easy. Correct or not?
Yes.
See,
Yes.
when the product is dependent on other product, you can create one more segment. Because inside you cannot pick two segment at the time of accounting. Okay, got it? I'll tell you one more example, you will understand clearly. Now, when I am doing a vehicle business, I will sell only one entry. I will sell car or scooter. Somebody buys at a time, I'll bill separately only, right? I will not put in the same bill because everything comes differently. Even if I put, there are different item line will come. Line item will be different, correct? One line I will return sale of car, another line I will write sale of scooter. So everything we can fix it like this. Okay. Okay. So these are all segment. So what? So now how many segment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have reduced to 2. So what is value set here? 2, 4, 4, here 5. Okay, right. So accounting segment, it will be different. So everything in a series. Accounting, what they will have, no? So they will tell expense, income, everything will be a different series. 4 we have given, no? 1001 to 1999. This is expense account. 1001 to 2999 income account. Liability account. Whenever number of assets come under this, at some time end user will understand 4 series as asset. This series is, that's why we will have like this. But number and all, whatever business give, see, it is not like I have to give expense 1. I can give for liability also. Whatever the business is needing, they will have some numeric thing or alphanumeric, we can create it. You got it? Remaining all sequence only. It is only products, right? Like that it will come. Okay. Right? Any doubts till now? No, what is segment? Values, value set. 3 terms we have learned it. Okay. This is only the technical thing here. All other are accounting only. Business, value, value set. Okay. Right. So whatever we created, no combination of segment we call it's a combination of segments. This is what we call chart of accounts. Now I'll explain what is chart of account is the major thing. See, this is chart of account we are creating for a business. Okay. Got it? Okay, right. Now I'll go to the basic accounting. So tell me a basic, we'll go to +1, we'll learn basic journal entry. Tell me a sales journal and a purchase journal. How will you write? Same Bajaj. Tell me a sales entry for 3 type of business we have, right? What are the 3 type of business we have? See, we are doing a sales in vehicles. We are selling vehicle. Tell me upsec. Tell me you want to sell vehicle. Normal account. What is accounting entry sale?
Sale accounting entry for vehicle will be customer account debit to sales.
Correct. Customer to sales. Receivable to sales we can say, right?
Yeah.
Customer receivable to sales account. Okay. Now what all you will enter here? To the customer you are now giving a accounting entry and a bill. What all you will mention here?
I mean in the bill invoice.
Accounting entry. Everything it should cover. No, whatever you put in the invoice, you will account it. The basic accounting entry, how will you learn? When you write, what all you will write here?
Yes, so it's receivable to sales, right?
Okay. Yeah, you can tell what you will write other than this. So receivable to sales, how will I know which business the sales is going? So you will have a concept of narration when you learn
Yes.
first account.
Yes,
There
yes.
you enter vehicle business.
Being
When you
vehicle
do,
sold.
okay, vehicle business sold. I am having 1,000 branches. Then where you write that? Here only. Chennai branch, building 1, etc., etc. All the narration I'll give here only.
Yes.
1,000 branch, this sales manager who sold it, everything it has to be covered. Now we have to commission for him. Na? So everything will write in narration only. We have no other. Okay.
Mhm.
So vehicle value, where you write?
Vehicle value.
Suppose it is 50,000.
Yeah.
Writing here. Okay. Okay. Next, what is missing?
Date.
Yeah.
Date is
Date.
missing. What is today's date? 29, huh? 28. 28 September 24. Okay. This will write. This will write. This we will write. Okay. Correct.
Yes. And the debit credit symbol on the top.
Right. We'll see. We'll see then. Okay. This is called narration. Date. Particulars. This is right. We will call it particulars.
Yes.
Description. Date. Okay. Whatever I thought you remember now, right? Now you go back. Chart of account, remember first sheet what we said, release 11, release 12, release 13. Come here. So I'll tell you with this how release 11 worked. Okay. Date. Date we call calendar in Oracle. All the particulars, everything. See, accounting, this, that, business, everything is coming. You know, this is called chart of account. I explained in the second sheet. Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
This is currency. Here you write rupees, right? That you missed it. So this is called Oracle 11i emerged with this only 3C. See 3 character where it is starting.
Yes.
This is called 3C.
R11.
This is R11. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir. So the chart of account is the description, right?
Chart of account,
That
everything here.
everything
Accounting, description,
accounting.
whatever.
This.
Company name, everything is coming in. No, we seen right now.
Yes.
We seen that. Okay, that's why I explained with them. Clear example there. So chart of account is the main thing. You will get the date directly and currency. What is currency? Now we are in Indian branch. So I am telling INR. Chart of account defined with 7 segment, right? Calendar
5.
5 segment. 2 future segment we added, right?
Oh, yes.
So 7. Okay. 5 is working, that we can change 7 segment. And we know the segment name. Calendar is our calendar. What is Indian calendar? How it work? April to March.
Yes.
Okay. Right. We are having 3 type of business. Vehicle business, where which country it is running? He is running in India, so we can
And
follow the same. Okay. Okay. We are opening a branch in Dubai now, or we are opening a branch in USA. Now we are following the same.
sir, your voice is fading.
My voice
Yeah.
now?
Yeah. Now it's clear.
No. I think somebody opening the sound is coming. Background sound, no? That's the problem. Okay, right. See, in USA, we open a branch. What changes you see here? What is the calendar year for USA?
Jan to December.
Jan to December. Segment, they will design different also. Maybe they want that business. See, in India, what are the needs we have put here? Maybe the US branch will need some segment different. We have clubbed all into product, but initially what we did, the US needs, we need that. Then they will have some 9 segment and change in segment, any change in segment. Their currency is USD. Okay. Oracle 11i, what the rule says, no? So this EC, they call set of books, called SOB. Okay. Set of books they call. Okay. If any one C changes, here many changes, all are change. Any one C changes, you have to create a new set of book. If you create a new set of books, what will happen? The user has to log out, log in, log out, log in, there, change that, this, everything. Every time he has to do, right? Correct? An
Yes.
end user will make entry for USA, India, everybody. Correct? Everything. If it's a very that Amazon like that, they will have a country wise or different. But it is very difficult, right? And this you cannot consolidate with this. This cannot be. Everything is separate. So they invented R12, release 12. So what release 12 will do? Release 12, what they said, see, you are having 4C, 3C, right? They added one more C. They added one more C called, we can call SLA or accounting convention, subledger accounting or accounting convention. So they taken the 4th C from here, the second accounting convention. Okay. Okay. So here they call 4C. There 3C, right? R12. Same for fusion also. Understand? Fusion also same. Okay. So now initially they call setup book, right? Initial first ledger we call primary ledger. So the changes comes, no? So we'll add, we call secondary ledger. Here we can add into one ledger itself. Secondary ledger 1, secondary ledger 2, like that you can go up to 25 or 30. Don't know, we can read the material and find. So like that you can add. So in one business you can find entire revenue or entire thing. Correct? Now you got the logic. Why they introduced release 12? We are having 4C. The concept is from setup book change it to primary ledger, and same for fusion also. Okay. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is for R12 and fusion, same segment count, same thing, but they want to put it in single thing. That is the things. 4C. So this is the difference between 11A R12 and fusion also same thing. And now we'll see what are the modules in the finance. You have general ledger, AP, AR, all modules are same from 11A to here now. Assets. Okay. So GL is the central repository, not only finance module. Other than finance, HRMS, everything has to come as a journal entry to GL, because here only we are running the trial balance, balance sheet and P&L. Okay, got it. So what we see in one by one we'll go. What we'll see in AP? What we see in AP, we see
Vendor.
vendor invoices, vendor payments, correct? So type of invoice will be there. Credit memo, debit memo, that and all, payment, batch payment, single payment, and setup.
PO.
PO will come in supply management. That will come. AR. AR, what is there?
Invoices, AR invoices will be there, and
Correct. AR
collection.
invoice we call transaction to differentiate between AP and AR.
SIP.
Okay.
Collections.
SIP.
Tell me. See, same invoices it will come. We call transaction. Receipt of money. Here we call receipt. There payment. Receipt and collection of thing. Collection there is a separate module also in detail. It will not come in finance. In receipt itself certain things are. Okay. APAR. What is cash management? Payments will come here.
Bank
The receipt will come here. And both will reconcile. It is only for reconciliation purpose. And we have cash budget, cash forecasting, everything. Mainly, I am telling how it will come. So from AR and AP, all this will come to reconciliation of bank. Bank reconciliation is the main thing. Simple chapter. Okay. Assets. Purchase of asset. Sale of asset.
Depreciation.
Addition of asset. Correct. Depreciation. This is asset. GL, you know, all the journal will import to GL. Import journal we call. And manual journal also in additional will create. Why manual journal means month end comes, AP and AR closed and everything. Something is missed or audit journal, something will come. You can create manual journal. It should not be repeating. Whichever cannot be done in the subledger, we can do here. Okay.
Manual means, sir, you are talking about the accrual ones, right?
Accrual is one of the manual. Directly, whatever you create in GL, it is called manual journal.
Okay.
If it comes through API or imported journal. If you upload through WebADI, normally we'll upload, right? Excel sheet, WebADI, that spreadsheet, that and all, it will show uploaded journal, uploaded, imported from spreadsheet. Directly, if you create manually, that is called manual journal. Okay. Okay. So these are the finance model, and you have budget. You have consolidation. Consolidation means I told no, there are variety of business. There are many secondary ledger. You can consolidate all the business and all the things and see here. Okay. All the functionality is there. GL.
Yes.
Okay, right. Now how the integration work with other model we'll see. So we have a model called purchasing. This is this module. We have a module called order management. We have a module called inventory. We have also work in progress, BOM, bill of material. If you go in depth. So these modules are called supply chain management. I'll put it in different color. Okay. So whatever is here, these 5 modules are supply chain management. Okay. What is supply chain management? Anybody know what is supply chain management? See, supply chain management, nothing. Like you said, see, for service industry, finance is enough. If you are in a manufacturing industry, there should be a godown to keep the material. See, whatever we see, no chart of account. See, we have home appliance vehicle. We should need a godown. There is a bin, rack, purchase order. Everything will come in this. Like he said, in here we create purchase order and PO receipt. Then it will come to invoice. See, once you create a PO, PO will come to AP. Diagram is there. Okay. So from you create a purchase order, it comes through AP invoice and payment, then it goes to cash management, comes to GL. This is called what cycle? So directly we can put it
P2P.
P2P cycle. Okay. PO, AP, GL. P2P cycle. Okay. Here you create a sales order. Sales order you create, then you go to AR invoice, receipt, AR receipt, then comes to GL. Cash management involved anyway. This is called O2C cycle, order to cash. Okay. Okay. Revenue record to report is GL. R2R they say, right? Record to
Yes,
report.
sir.
R2R cash management, whatever it is involved. Okay. You got the logic. So this supply chain cannot work independently. Always it links to finance module. And you have human resource, HRMS. Now we call human capital management in Fusion. You have payroll module, recruitment, that is many modules. Okay. And payroll at the month end. All the employees will be, there is option in AP, all the employees already will created as a supplier. And month end salary will come from payroll to AP. So what is the logic? Same thing. Okay. Same. Payroll to AP payment. This is the HRMS cycle, correct? Understand? So this will cannot work incrementally. For payment of salary, they have to come to AP only. All purchase, invoice and payment done here. Payment means AP only. Okay. So what happened to asset? I am buying an asset, addition of a new asset. What happens? You have to create a PO. It has to go to AP invoice. Then it will come to asset. Correct?
Yes.
Then GL. So everything cannot work independently. Everything has to come to GL. There is a flow. This is the asset flow, fit and sale. Sale of asset. Sale of asset, it goes through AR. You create a miscellaneous transaction or something, receipt of money, then it goes to GL. That will be updated here. Depreciation, everything calculated in the system. So now you got how the ERP flow, right? Everything like this only.
Everything is interlinked with each other, right?
That is called enterprise resource planning. Everything interface. It runs an interface. You create here, it will come here. You create a supplier name in purchasing, automatically reflects in AP invoice. All this, see, chart of account created in GL only. But all the accounting codes will go through all the modules. It will come from here. So you open the period in GL period and you open in all the period like this. So now everybody understand this flow? Whatever I thought you understand?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
right. I'll send this Excel also. So one by one I explained. This is the thing R12. Okay, 3C, 4C modules also we've seen. Are you getting late or we'll continue? 15 minutes.
For me,
Yeah.
it's fine. For me, it's
What
fine.
others?
We also find some.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll finish it. Okay. What is there here? We see the version we seen. See, I'll show you the MOA structure. Okay, multi-R. Okay. So here bits and pieces we are creating. So now I'll see in release 12 how it worked. We call MOAC. This is the main thing they will call. How this work? Multi-org access control. See what it is. I am having a company here throughout the world, like HCL, TCS group. How it is controlling? How Oracle is? First step, you create a business group. In our case, you create a what? Bajaj group, right?
Yes.
Bajaj group will be created in which module? Business. Bajaj group will be created in HRMS, Human Resource Management System. You create a business group, is address, head office, etc. Next comes ledger, where you create ledger.
I mean finance,
Which module?
financial.
We seen GL, 4C. All the 4C, it is called ledger. Next step, it is legal entity. What is legal entity? See, this is the important step, ledger. Here only this is not all very easy. One step. What is legal entity is also not mandatory. See, suppose I'm creating a business in India, I should register for ROC, VAT number, this number, according to the whatever I think we have to fill it, and legal address. Then comes operating unit. Operating unit is the branches wise or something like that. You can create it. You can create in GL or HRMS itself. We can link it. Okay, there is the exercise. Inventory stock locators. Org we call. This will create in inventory model, SCM module. Once you create, only your setup is complete. This is the first setup you will do. Okay. Okay. So now Bajaj Group will see. So Bajaj Business Group. Ledger we already created 4C. Okay. Whatever we created, if you think we are having one ledger, we are having multiple ledger, multiple country, various scenario, we can create it under ledger, under one business group. We can have multiple ledger. Example, I am writing 3 ledger. One ledger, you can have multiple legal entity. All I am giving example, it is multiple. So under ledger or legal and under ledger only will come multiple OU. OU only user will work. You will work on OU only. And multiple inventory org like that, stock locator. Okay. For example, you take asset. Suppose I am buying one huge machinery worth 10 crore in Indian rupee or USD or something. So our business knows this machinery where it is. Example. So we are having thousands of branches in Bajaj. We are having many inventory or go down. We are having everything. How we know the machinery particularly in that place? Because it's a huge money, right? So you are having a business group, then you are ledger. Suppose it is in India. Legal entity, okay. Operating entry, it will tell it is in Hyderabad. Operating unit or something. So it will say Hyderabad inventory godown is in suppose Gachibowli it is selling. Okay. Gachibowli 1. So it will say where is the stock inside that godown. Stock is in this floor. This area they will segregate, no? Area 1 or something. Then what is stock lottery will have bin, right? So it will show which bin it is there. So now when created, when the machinery or something is done, this information will be captured. So you know that in which floor exactly where it is located. That is why we have ERP. Like that, everything will captured with minute details. And you cannot alter it. If one user changes, that username is updated. Correct? You know. And you cannot delete any transaction when it posted. You can only reverse the transaction in the ERP. Right? Okay. So now I'll open the So whatever we did, now I'll show you how to read the theory. I have put it here. Where is the chat? Okay. You can see the sharing. You can see the PDF. Now you can see now.
Yes, sir.
Now you can see. See, now I'll tell you how to read it. Okay. It's what act. Right. Student guide 1. Student guide is theory. See what they will give generally. Navigation, finance director. These are all you read one time. Okay. You'll understand. With my example, if you read, you can easily understand. Lot of the thing not directly linked to finance only. Just read and leave it. Okay. Task, this, that, everything. Configuring entire structure. Just you come to this one. Planning. Okay. So what they are telling, how to plan your implementation requirement. From this you start. Okay. Up to that, just give over bird eye view reading. If you don't understand, leave it. This is only. So how you plan your implementation? See, first what I told, chart of account segment, correct? Please
Yes,
reply.
sir.
Okay. So create segment. They are telling legal entity, address, business unit, key thing, everything they are telling. What is the implement segmentation? They are telling whatever you need. Rapid implementation is a fast like Excel. They are loading. Just read it. Chart of account components. What are all we seen? See, they are giving it. Chart of account instant value set segment, segment label. What is value set? Now you read it, you understand. See, alphanumeric value set, assign segment label, balancing cost center, everything you can lead. Validation rule, account combination. This is what we see, no combination of accounts, line of business, company account and all. And spreadsheet and all. When we see the practical part, we can see. Legal entity in transaction, business unit, how it is useful. And configuration GL ledger. Okay, this is the main thing. See, wherever you read same thing, see, value set, chart of account, value set, account hierarchy step by step. Creating value set, building the chart of account structure. See, company, cost centers department, account, sub account is an optional for them. We are having product, sub product. More or less we created the same thing, right? What are the restriction? Up to 30 segment, maximum of 25 character, the name. We have given only small name. It will not allow more than 25, like that it is given. Okay.
So, account sub account means, sir, like if we go to like if we divide
No,
operate.
sub account, they want to create one more account. For example, I am creating expense overhead as one account. So I want to split expense overhead into multiple. So they are having sub account. It is according to the consultant knowledge. Understand? Correct. You understand the logic. In the account, I am having directly salary expense, overhead expense. But they want to have salary overhead as a one account. It includes all. So they create a one more segment called sub account. So inside 1001, they can add that. For that, they would have defined managing an accounting calendar. You got the logic? Once you read, you will understand. Read it. See, managing currency means already it is defined. Calendar type, calendar. We are not creating. Only chart of account you requires your brain knowledge as a consultant. These are all available in system. Everybody can do. But the suggestion, why it is rate, this everything will come. Okay, got it? Yeah, only that we require our knowledge. See 4C, accounting method. And one more thing is the reporting currency. What is the reporting currency is? We are having a head office in Chennai, branch in US. So manager, our owner want to see everything in INR. Only a reporting ledger, if you add, the reports all will convert into INR and give. It will not affect the books. That is called that one, like that. Okay. So I think we covered all the theory things. Just you have to see second ledger scenario, everything there. Take your own notes and send me in the, I'll share my mail, you send me, I'll correct it. So that will be used for your interview or fast track, because these are all very big, no, you cannot read, but the content is very, very, very minimal, repeated only. Okay. So this is the number one. I'll open another one. Oracle intercompany. Intercompany, you know, no, within ourselves, we are having 3 companies. Within ourselves, we'll do a transaction without profit. It should go. That is a setup. And period close thing is there. Reporting. Normally, technical team will create all the report, but there are some balance sheet and all we'll create it. Balance sheet P&L. Actually, only trial balance will come normally. So we have to only create balance sheet and P&L. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
and nothing more. See, everything is financial, generic only. You can read it and have a knowledge. And any doubts?